Hey, Mark Rice here! If you love flat design and want to create a masterpiece with it, this is the tool for you. And if you want to be master of the flat design and download our 500 illustrations, check out gigant.store. Okay, so this will be the basic shape of the face. Okay. I will copy this shape and move it here for the upper part of the head, and I will use this green color for it, something like this. Okay, not bad for now. I will copy it, increase the size a bit, and make these corners round, something like this. So for now I have the same color. Usually I will create shadow here, but because of the brushes I can leave it like that. Maybe I can change the size. Okay, cool. Now I will draw the hair. So first I will create the rectangle here. Okay, something like that. It will be black. Okay, beautiful. Something like this. Here I can create one more shape for the second part of this part of the hair. Let me check. I like it. And here I can create one more shape for the hair. Okay. Not bad at all. So I will group these shapes and use align center for that. Okay, beautiful. Now I can draw the rectangle for the back part of the hair. Send to back. Okay. And here I will draw the ears. I can change the size a bit and send to back. Okay. Let me check. Beautiful. I like it. So now I need to create the nose. It will be big red nose. So this will be the first part or the front part, and I need the back part of the nose. Something like this. I can use this red color. Send to back and change the size for this part. Okay, bring to front. Let me check. I like it. And I need small circle for the eyes. Okay. Copy it. Move it here. Group it. Align. Now the mouth. So let me check. Maybe I can create a semicircle. Okay, the semicircle. So it will be black. Then I will create one more rectangle for the teeth. And I will use white color for it. Okay, something like this. And here I will create one more part. So we will see. Okay, let me check. You know what? Not bad, but I don't like this mouth. So I'll change it really quick. And I will use black color for the new mouth. Make this corner round, something like this. And I will draw the teeth. Okay. I think that this will be better. Okay, beautiful. Then select the shapes, the white, ungroup, and delete this part. Okay, group the shapes of the mouth, and that's it for now. Now I'm satisfied. It's different. Okay, cool. The neck. Send to back the neck. Okay. And this will be the t-shirt. I don't know, maybe I can use red color. Let me check. No. Purple. Purple will be fine. Okay, beautiful. I like it. So basically that's it. I just created the face. I will ungroup all, and now finally I can start with the brushes. Okay, so first I will select this part here, then go here and hit on the draw inside here. Okay, beautiful. Hit B on the keyboard for the brushes. And here, as you can see, I need to select the stroke color for it. Okay, beautiful. So here I can use this color. Let me check. Okay, not bad. I will increase the size of the brushes and I will try. I like it. Up, up, cool. Just like that. It's beautiful. I will select the darker color of this green. Okay. Something like this. I like it. When you finish this part, just go here and use draw normal. And that's it. You are basically done with this part. And I will do the same with this part as well. So draw inside, hit B on the keyboard, select the brushes, change the size. In this case will be 3. I like it. And maybe here I can add more shadows, something like this. Okay, draw normal. And now, haha, it's beautiful. Imagine what we can create with these brushes. Okay, so now I'm so excited and I want to create the whole face. So draw inside, and for this I will try with smaller brushes here. Okay, I will change the size. I will use darker color. Let me check. Okay, I like it. Here I will create a shadow. Then here I will create a shadow as well. Here around the nose and around the eyes, something like this. Not bad. Here as well. Cool. Then I will increase the size and try to create shadow here. Like this. Haha, I like it. Here, here, here. And I don't need this part. Okay. So now I will select draw inside, brushes. Cool. I will change the size. I will use 4. Okay. And let me check. Cool. Now. Something like this. So I will try to blend it a bit. Maybe I can do that with this part of the face here. And with this part of the face here as well. Then I will swap to darker color. Change the size of the brushes. I will use 3. And let me check. Maybe I can blend this part as well. Okay. This is the face. It needs to be gentle, so for that I prefer to use the gigantic brushes 0.5. Okay, beautiful. I like it. So I just finished with this part of the face. Now the nose. Okay, draw inside. Hit P on the keyboard. Okay, beautiful. I will use dark color for it. I will use this one and 3. Let me check. Something like this. Okay, now I will blend it a bit. Here I will create shadow as well. And I will use a highlight here. So let me check. It will be very simple. Something like this, and that's it. I just finished with this part. Okay, draw inside. Now this part of the nose. Everything is the same. Draw inside, hit B on the keyboard for the brushes. Pick up darker color for the shadow. Okay, beautiful. And for this part I will use glow. Something like this. Draw normal and let me check. Okay, it's already more artistic. But I need to create a few things more. So draw inside, hit B on the keyboard, pick up dark color, something like this. Okay. Okay, now I will change the brush. And I will use darker color for the blend. Okay, something like this. And here, maybe I can use lighter color. Ah, I like it. Okay, now here, first I will start with the shadow. Let me check, something like this. So I just finished this part of the hair, and I will do the same with this part as well. Okay, done. Now this part of the hair. Okay, cool. Now the neck and the cloth, and that's it. So it will be very easy. Hit B on the keyboard. Here I will create a shadow. Here as well, something like this. Maybe I can use darker color a bit. Here it will be more interesting, so I'll just finish with this part as well. And now this part, and we are finished. It will be very simple, just like this. Okay, cool. And I will do the same with this part as well. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, now we just created more artistic character from the flat design character. Okay, and if you want to go a few steps further and learn even more, or just hang out with me on a daily basis, become part of this incredible list here. You will be able to watch my exclusive video tutorials and become part of the private community. This will be game changer for you if you are serious about your creative future. So take action right now and do something good for you and your family. And remember, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.